Hello everyone, I am Sajad and you are watching Pharma Inform. In Pharma Inform today we will discuss our next video of HVAC series, which is what is HVAC. In this video we will discuss basic meaning of HVAC and how alphabets of HVAC represent different principles or mechanisms. We will discuss one by one every alphabet representation of the process. So as we know that HVAC mean heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. This system is very important in the buildings, hospitals, pharmaceutical industries to provide environmental comfort and to provide heating and cooling to the residents of the building or working environment where everyone can work comfortably. HVAC system is a source of ventilation and it is used to condition the air. So if we look at the word HVAC, it consists of H, V, A and C. So we combine AC. It is basically consists of four alphabets. We combine last two, 3 plus 4. So heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Most of the people, especially students, are not aware of the abbreviation of HVAC and does not know what is HVAC. So for simple remembrance, it is H for heating, V for ventilation, AC for air conditioning. So hope now you can easily remember the term HVAC or HVAC, heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. So these are not just the alphabets, basically these are the abbreviations. So H stand for heating. We will discuss what is heating or what is H in HVAC. We will also discuss what is V in HVAC and we will also discuss what is AC in HVAC. So start from the first alphabet, which is H or first heating. H in the HVAC represent heating. So heating is a very important requirement in our buildings, in our pharmaceutical industries, in pharmacies and in different working conditions. So if anyone is working in a cold condition, mean outside is very cold or our room or building is very cool, it is difficult for everyone to work there comfortably. So we have to provide them a basic temperature for the heating. In HVAC heating system or source of heating are two. Mean heating is used to heat the air. In cold conditions we require hot air to normalize our working temperature. In HVAC, heating is obtained or achieved by the two sources. One is indirect source of heat and other is direct source of heat. One is direct source of heat and other is indirect source of heat or central heating. In direct source of heating we use electrical heaters. We will discuss these terms in detail when we will discuss working of HVAC or what is the structure of air handling unit. We will discuss these terms in detail. Here is a basic overview for heating. In central heating we use basically boiler which boil or generate steam which circulate in pipes and provide heat to the air passing through the air handling unit. So in heating, or basically in H of HVAC, we use a system which heat our air which is coming from outside, and this hot air is supplied inside to the residents of the building, which lower the room temperature and reduce the which raise the temperature of inside building, and cooling is reduced. So the next alphabet or next abbreviation is ventilation, and alphabet is V. V in HVAC stand for ventilation. Ventilation component is very important for the residents of buildings or for the employees working in different buildings in pharmaceutical industries or in the hospitals. Ventilation is very basic requirement. So basically, what is the ventilation, or from where this concept is taken? In old ages, ventilation was used by using natural sources, mean in our homes or in old buildings we can see that there is a best system for ventilation using without any mechanical system. Mean old fashioned people leave buildings with windows, corridors and inlets and outlets for the passage of the air. That is why we can easily see large number of corridors and doors and windows for the air comes from one side, circulate inside the entire building rooms and leave the building through the other side of the window or corridors. This is basically was the natural ventilation system. In HVAC, heating ventilation or air conditioning system, we use mechanical system of ventilation for large size of buildings or hospitals or pharmaceutical industries. We use ventilation by a mechanical method. In mechanical method, we use ventilation to replace the inside air with the outside fresh air. So what is ventilation? Exchanging or replacing of the air in the room, area or building with outside fresh air is known as ventilation. In simple words, replacement of indoor air with outside fresh air known as ventilation. In the process of ventilation, basically we remove carbon dioxide from the rooms, excess of humidity or fumes from the room. Ventilation system provide required level of oxygen to the building. Ventilation system also used to remove the smell or odor from the room and dust from the inside areas. Ventilation system also remove airborne microbes or bacteria from the room, so provide our inside a clean condition. So this was the ventilation. Hope you are clear about the ventilation system. Now the third and fourth letters of the HVAC are A and C. So AC mean air conditioning system. As the name indicates, this system is used to condition the air. Air conditioning system is used to cool the area or building or any space, and it is also used to provide cooling system by removing the excess of heat from the inside area. Air conditioning system basically also supply a conditioned air with controlled humidity level. As we know that excess level of humidity inside any building create difficulty for proper working. So air conditioning system, apart from providing us a cooling condition, it provide us conditioned air, mean the air which fulfill our requirements for proper working by supplying a proper cooling requirement and proper humidity level inside the building. So it was a brief overview of the HVAC. Hope you are now clear about the term HVAC or HVAC or heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. You can remember it in parts. Mean H for heating, V for ventilation and AC for air conditioning, and can use the basic method of understanding for the HVAC. One important thing is, if you like the video, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button so that you can receive our all the latest videos on priority basis. So for the next video, Allah Hafiz.